Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, you should go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, it has been quite a while. I've been doing mostly vlogs because, to be honest, it is the easier thing to do. So today we decided to do a sit down kind of video. So, and the title says it all. It is going to be my hygiene products haul. Now my hygiene products haul include bath, face, body, and hair, everything, all of those included in it. So these are the products that I use and that I love. I have other products, but you know, you don't use them very often because you don't necessarily love them. But these are products that I love and use. So without further ado, let us get into this video. So the first thing that we're going to start with, face. We're going to start from the face. I should have probably started with the hair. We're going to go from top to bottom. So the hair. So my shampoo and conditioners that I usually use the, I usually use the olive oil ones, but I stopped because it was kind of drying my hair, because olive oil kind of dries your hair a bit. So I tried using these. So this is the Dark and Lovely, which is a cream that I use. That's a relaxer I use. So I decided to try it. So I use the Dark and Lovely moisture shampoo, healthy gloss, and I use the moisture conditioner. Now I think these are in a set where they call it some repair thing that they're doing for hair. So this is the repair set. So I have a shampoo, conditioner, and I also have this, leave-in spray. So it's the Damage Slayer leave-in spray. So that's what it looks like. And pretty much when you finish washing your hair and you kind of take out some of the water out of it, you can spray this in your hair before you style and whatever. And it can also be used for natural hair. So it detangles and controls flyaways for natural hair. For relax, it silkens and conditions. And for transitioning hair, it helps to nourish and improve manageability. So it can be used for all hair types. All right, so after I use that, most times I'm going to be using this because give me a sec. Normally I would use this because this comes in the relaxer pack, right? So this is the Dark and Lovely Recover Shine Cream, and I would love to use this all the time, but it only comes with 2 packs and I don't know where to get it otherwise, because I was looking for if it comes in a bottle, if they have a lotion that comes in a bottle or something, but Dark and Lovely doesn't have that, so I don't see it. So I don't think they have it. But yes, so if I don't have that, I'm gonna have to use this. So after my hair is creamed and I wash it for the first time, I will use one and then continue to use it until both of them are finished. And then most times I'll use this. So this is the olive oil moisturizing hair lotion, and that's what I use most times in my hair. Now for the other shampoo thing that I always use, because of the dandruff in my hair, I have dandruff in my hair, so I use Dand Zap, and that is what it looks like. So it is pretty much a dandruff shampoo, and so it's Dand Zap, and you use about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of it, and it's like a blue liquid thing, so it's blue. And yeah, I don't know if it works because once you stop using it, it kind of comes back. So I don't know if you would call that it works. I don't know. All right, so the next one that we have is if I'm going to, if I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair, I will use this. I'm almost out of it. So as you guys can see, I use it quite a lot because when you put it in, you use a lot. So I'm almost out. So this is the Originals by Africa's Best Hair Mayonnaise. treatment for weak damaged hair with natural herbs, olive oil and egg protein. So I use this, and then like I'll put it in my hair after shampooing and conditioning. No, after shampooing most likely, because if I'm going to use this, I don't normally condition my hair after. I just use this. So after I put this in, I'll put like a short cap over it and leave it there for about 10 or so minutes, and then I'm done. For oils, sometime I will use the black castor oil, but hardly, because it makes my hair very greasy. So I hardly use it. Otherwise, I will use this sulfur 8 medicated original formula, because as I said, I have dandruff, so I have to use it. So it's an anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner, and this works wonders. It feels so nice when I put it into. Anyways, other oils that I will use, like sealing moisture, would be this hair passion shining aloe vera polisher. So I would use this sometimes, and then I use this one sometimes. It's the olive oil frizz control and shine glossing hair polish. So either one I would normally use. All right, so that's for hair. I think I don't remember anything else. And now to the face. So the face care, I still have blemishes and such like that, so I am supposed to be going to the dermo next month. I have scheduled, so I'm going to go next month. So until then, these are the products I'm using for face and for dental care and such like that. So for face, I usually use the, what do you call it, the Cetaphil face wash, but then it was finished and I was planning on going to the dermo, so I didn't order anymore. And in the meantime, I was using the Dove soap. So pretty much I use the Dove original soap on my face because it's soothing for the skin. It's for sensitive skin, so I decided, yeah, I could use it, and it doesn't break out my skin. These are from them time there, you know, these are from them time there, and I like new blemish. These are long time blemishes. So yes, I use that, and I will use, depending on the time, I don't use these very often. If I'm taking off makeup, most times I use my micellar cleansing water, and sometimes I will use my toner. So this is the Thayer's Natural Remedies facial toner with witch hazel rose petals. I hardly use it, as you guys can see, it's like way up there, but yeah, I haven't used it in a while because it kind of burns my skin sometimes. I'm thinking probably because I have sensitive skin. I don't know if it's supposed to be burning, so I'm gonna use it often. All right, so the next thing I use would have been like the moisturizers and stuff like that. So in the mornings, I will use this simple kind to skin protected moisture cream because it has SPF 30, which is sunscreen in it. So I use this, as you guys can see. It's pretty good, I think. I don't know, it's supposed to protect your skin, so yeah. And then the Cetaphil, I still had this from when I bought the face wash, so I still use it at nights. So it's a Cetaphil daily oil hydrating lotion, and I use this on my face in the nights. All right, so that's for the facial washing, something like that. And then for my dental care, I went to the dentist sometime last year, or it was the year before, I think it's last year, and I was told when I was younger, it looks like I must eat fluoride, toothpaste or whatever, so I have chalk teeth, and they said that it's because it's too much fluoride. So she recommended I use a non-fluoride toothpaste, and that is why I started to use Sensodyne. So I use Sensodyne. This one is new because the last one is pretty much almost out. The one I had was the whitening one. This is the original, so I'm trying the original one now. So Sensodyne is the next thing that I use. Now for showering, y'all are gonna hate me for this because the next set of products, my favorite kind of products ever. Anyway, so my shower routine, right? What I normally do is bathe with the bar soap, because I read something once that when you use bar soap, The bar soaps take off like the dirt and ickiness and whatever, and then the liquid soaps are what give you the fresh smell and whatnot. So for bar soaps, again with my Dove, I normally have two different ones. So bar soap is the Dove soap, and I try to always have the original. Sometimes I will switch it up and buy the others, but for me the best smelling one is the original. So the original bar soap, Dove bar soap. Yes, it is the best scent, the original one. And I wanted to find like a original. Let me know, guys, if you know where I can find the original scented liquid one. I can't find the original liquid one. I can find others, but I can't find the original, and I think it's the best scent. All right, so the next things I have would be the body wash. I have two different kinds here because I will use both of them, even though I prefer this one. I prefer the big one because to me it's better. It kind of, I don't know if it costs this, I really don't know, I never check it out. But you have this size, I have a medium looking size to this, like it probably about that way here. Yeah, so this is the liquid soap, or you have this one. So there's three different sizes. I have the size a little bit smaller to this one in my bathroom now. I couldn't bother to take it out, so I took up this one instead. So this and this, these kinds, it's supposed to be about 3 of them. Yeah, so it doesn't matter the scent. If I found the original one, then I would say it would be the original scent, but I normally just take up a scent that smells nice to me. All right, so the next things would have been my deodorants, and this is why I say you guys are gonna hate me, because they're Dove again. I'm a Dove girl. So I have the Dove, and this is original again, the original clean scent. For the deodorant, I don't really necessarily prefer a scent. I normally go for the original, but the scents not really linger that long, so it doesn't really matter. And for the Dove, the spray ones, I tend to use the original as well, but I wanted to try something new, so I tried the coconut. This is a coconut and jasmine flower scent, and it smells really good, so I would buy again. So yes, this is the Dove Secrets, Nourishing Secrets. So I guess these and these could go together. So yes, that is for bath, and like I would use like a rag for the bar soap, and then a, what do you call it? I'll put it up here. I don't remember what I call it, something there. That's for the liquid soap because it makes it washes off easier. All right, so now we're going to go on to the lotions, and then we go on to the perfumes. So after coming out of the bath, you know, smelling all good, feeling all fresh, you have to lotion the body and, you know, moisturize. The lotions I have right now, I have the Dove. I have one last Dove, just this one. This is the beauty cream, so this is the Nourishing Body Care, and this is almost out actually. Well, kind of almost out, kind of. Yeah, so I use that sometimes. I hardly use it because I kind of wanted to save, but yeah. Anyways, I have this one, the Maui Mangoes, and this one is very thick. I think it's body, yes, it's a body cream. I should have seen that. I didn't know that. I didn't look at it, but I know it's very thick. This one is very thick and it's very moisturizing. So yeah. And then the next one is this Mystical Wild One fragrance lotion. I love this scent so much, and I just want to find more scents like this. This scent is one of the best I've ever found. And then I just have a hand cream. I think one of my aunts gave this to me. This is a moisturizing hand cream. It's the Spring Catherine Malandrino Springs Violets, and it's just a moisturizing hand cream, so you know it's thick. It's a thick hand cream. Did you come out? Yeah, well, it's not that thick, but the other one is thicker. The Maui one is very thick, but yes, this one is not that thick anymore. I guess probably it's getting stale or something, I don't know. But yes, let us now go on to our perfumes and body splashes. I'm gonna go through the body splashes because I don't have that much perfume, so I'm just gonna go through the body splashes first. We have the Maui. This came with the lotion. Very good scent. Love, love, love it. I don't even know how to tell you what kind of scent it is, because me and scents not really that much. We can't tell you. I think I can, if they tell me on it, then I can probably say yes, it really does smell like that. But for me to pick it up just so, I'm not gonna say it, but it smells great. That's all I can tell you. This one is a golden sunflower fine fragrance mist, and this is a Bath and Body Works thing, and it smells, all of them, I think the only scent that actually I don't have any more, that I don't have any that I don't like the scent. It's just that I can't manage a strong scent, and I have a perfume that's very, very strong, but I still use it. All right, so the fragrances that are here are sunflower petals, orange flower, and fresh vanilla. I know there was vanilla. You can smell the vanilla in that one. This one don't tell you. Get the far. All right, so the next one, this one is actually almost out. It's way down at the bottom, like just a little in it. This is Almond Blossom Time, warm and cozy, and this is Body Philosophy, and this has sweet almond oil blended with vanilla orchids and cashmere musk. Yeah, really nice, very strong and nice. And then I have this one. It's called the Wedding Day Fantasy Body Fantasies, and I have the vanilla one to this in my bathroom, which I love. Guys, let me tell you, love, I don't know, I think I'm in love with vanilla scents. It's very nice. It is a nice scent. It's very, very calming, actually, the vanilla scent. All right, let me go through this one first. This is a Pink Spirit Mist, fresh coconut and home game win. So this one is from Pink, and it's just a little tiny thingy. Guys, don't mind the sun coming out and whatnot. All right, so the other lotion has a perfume as well, and this is a Mystical Wild One. The perfume and the lotion actually smells the same, and actually these are my favorite scents. Trying to find one like this. I don't want to run out of this and can't find the scent again. I might have to go on the site or something to find the scent, because I need it again. And then Christmas, I actually bought this Christmas for myself as a gift for myself. Yes, so it's the Attitude. Guys, this was my name in high school, Attitude Coconut and Silk Blossom Body Mist. So yes, I love this scent. I was trying to find one that smells like that, and it's kind of close, but not very, very close. I could have done better. All right, so for perfumes, I have 3, kinda, most likely 2. This is the Dear I Love You perfume, and it came with a lotion and body something, what do you call it, body wash. So can't tell you what scent this is, but this is my favorite of the 2 perfumes. This one is a very, very strong one. This is the Joy J5 Gallier Perfume. I prefer the lotion, because this is very, very strong. The lotion is strong enough, but this is very strong. My sister loves this though. She steals it a lot. She's not here. All right, and then the last thing I have is this rolling perfume. Like, this is a Home Scent Collection Pure Fragrance Double Diamond perfume, and it's almost out. And what I do with this, I normally put it behind my ear, right here, coming down, and right here, so you know, gives you a little bit more scent. So yes, all the things that I use, or that I'm using, because of my allergies with the mask or something. I think it has to do with my tablets that I'm taking. I have chapped lips very often, so I was using this Vaseline one, and right now I bought a chapstick thing that I'm using, so I don't use this very often anymore. I'm trying to use the other one. As you can see, it almost out, and it's just so tiny and so cute, and I'm thinking it's effective, because Vaseline is very, very good for you. So yeah, anyway, so that is all for my hygiene products haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what are some products that you use, and that you did not see here that you think I need to be using, or things that I should be using, let me know in the comments down below. And whenever I change out things and start using something different, I might do another video like this, because it's actually fun to just do hauls like this. So yes, thanks again for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Share this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.